Guys robbed the other bank, and they had those old 44.
Here I am,
revolvers.
Shop Regional Airport. Great day to jump. It's
Filled up the bank.
19 degrees Celsius. October the
And they took off.
what is
out
it,
of the town.
16th?
The people in the town come after, and they come down the road. Right across.
I'll go to their herb
from that
store
place
later.
that Trump had up north there, just south of Yetter, where there was a straw pile. He got into that. They had one guy do it, and the other guy came on down the road. Well, the
So,
word got out.
I'm gonna be 12,000 feet up above these hills in a few minutes. They're waiting for me. Where's the skydiving place? It might be there.
Way back, before the shotgun or anything.
All right. And unfortunately, they don't do videos here. The guy, my dive master, doesn't do it, but I just thought I'd take a quick video of the area here. Got it done in Kamloops, in Puerto Vallarta, even in Vulcan they did video, but they don't do it here. You can't do anything anymore. Well, I gotta find this place. They're waiting for me.